Today's affirmations are about how to stop negative self-talk. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am positive. I can silence negativity. I speak kindly about myself. People hear my positivity. Every day I talk nicer. Today I stop negativity. I am encouraging. I choose positive thoughts. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.